Does dermaplaning blade type matter? And how do I decide which one to use? Is one necessarily better than another?
First and foremost, quality always matters and makes a huge impact on your dermaplaning treatment outcome, regardless of the shape, size, or manufacturer. Quality varies greatly in sharpness and durability from manufacturer to manufacturer. As a result, more than one blade per treatment may have to be used. Poor quality equals poor treatment outcome. I would like to note that at Advanced Aesthetic Training, we guarantee only the best quality blades. We've worked with many blade types and many manufacturers to ensure that you only receive the best for your dermaplaning treatments. Back to the questions. Does the type and size of the dermaplaning blade matter? The answer is no. Blade types used during treatment are only a matter of personal preference. There are many estheticians with their personal favorite. However, one person's favorite does not make it superior to another's. So again, one blade type is not necessarily better than another. It's all about personal preference. Surgical blades come in sterile packaging, and the number on the surgical blade communicates both its size and its shape. Think of it as shorthand code for labeling a blade's characteristics. Some common types of blades and numbers include the following: the number 10 standard blade, the number 10R blade, the number 14 blade, the number 15 blade, as well as the number 22 blade. We're also going to be discussing the number 11 blade for clarification purposes. Surgical scalpels are available in single-use or disposable versions. Disposable blades are permanently attached to the handle, while the single-use blades are designed to lock into the blade handle and are easily removable. The single-use scalpels typically have a plastic handle and can only be used once before the entire instrument is discarded. Medical experts frequently assert that the making of a surgical blade lies in the quality of the material used to produce it, along with the technology behind grinding the blade's cutting edge. Silver was historically the material of choice for surgical scalpels, but today surgical blades are usually made from stainless steel or carbon steel. Fun fact: Hippocrates was actually the first physician to describe a surgical blade. Interesting, these medical instruments were essentially the same shape back then as they are today. You should choose the shape best optimized to your particular facial style. Specifications to consider when selecting a surgical blade relate to the shape and the finish of the cutting edge. To get started, here's some basic terminology used to reference different parts of the blade. A scalpel's blade edge is its actual sharp cutting surface, which serves as an important component of the tactile feel. The better the tactile feel, the more control the esthetician has, resulting in a more consistent, precise treatment. The sharper and smoother the blade, the less drag and potential irritation occur. The spine of the surgical blade is the unsharpened, rigid edge. The most typical surgical blade is the replaceable or stainless steel version. It features a key-like slot at an angled base that firmly snaps the scalpel blade onto the handle. This allows the blade to be loaded or unloaded simply by moving the end of the handle in or out of the slot. With the right research and preparation, you can be well armed for successful treatments and positive client results. Overall, purchasing the best quality blades and dermaplaning supplies will drive productivity and ensure high quality client care. At Advanced Aesthetic Training, we carry a wide range of dermaplaning supplies to meet all of your needs. The precision of the surgical blade plays a critical role in a successful dermaplaning treatment outcome. They are vitally important and should be held at the highest standards of excellence. Purchasing your dermaplaning supplies from only reputable sources ensures that the blades and tools that you're using are authentic, professional quality, and individually sealed and sterile for your peace of mind and protection. Beware of inexpensive imitations that are poor quality and will affect your treatment outcome, or worse, cause injury to your client. There are several types of blades used for dermaplaning. In this workshop series, we're going to discuss in detail the qualities and components of each blade, as well as review products that are used in dermaplaning treatments. Stay tuned for more information, and in the meantime, visit www.estheticiantraining.biz for high-quality dermaplaning supplies and educational classes that are designed for every skill set.